Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to understand how to check a given string is a palindrome or not. So how to do that? Let's create a new class. So go to your package and create a class. I'm writing it as palindrome example and click on public static void main. Click on finish. So first you need to understand when you call palindrome, so what does it mean? So let's take an example in terms of string. So if you have a string, let's take example of level. So this is my string name. So if I do reverse of this string, also if it forms the same as the given string, then we will call it as palindrome. See, level. If you do it in reverse, also level. So that is how you will get it. So same, you can take one more example, MAM, and if you reverse it, MAM. Similarly, if you have radar, and if you reverse it, radar will come. So these kind of strings are called palindrome. So that is what we are going to check now. So what we are going to do is, let's take an example of a string, define a string, and I'll define it as str, and I'm writing it as radar. Okay. So just take the one which we have defined just now, give a colon, and define one more string, that is reverse of this string, reverse of this string, that is equal to, I'm not holding any value initially, just make it as blank. Okay. And now what I wanted to do is, I wanted to get this length of this string. So you already know how to get the length of the string, int str length. This is what I am defining. Cph is equal to str is my string dot length. I'm going to use this holds my length of the string. So how much you are going to get in the length? So because there are how many characters? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your length will be 5. That means it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So your value, so 0 holds R, capital R, 1A, 2D, 3A, 4 is R. So now what I wanted to do is, I wanted to reverse the string. So to do the reverse string, I am making use of for loop for int I is equal to, so what I need to do, I need to take my entire length minus 1, because the value of the array of each and every element, so if the total length is 5, so when you talk in terms of array, it holds from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now what I'm going to do is, int I str length minus 1, because I have to start from 4. I less than or equal to, okay, I have to take I greater than or equal to 0, and then I minus minus. So now what I wanted to do is, I wanted to hold the value. I wanted to hold the value, that is the reverse string. So what I'm going to do is, the reverse string is equal to whatever I have defined, reverse string plus the string str dot from the characters of index. So I have to start with my I index. So my I starts from 4. 4 is what? R. Then it will go 3, 2, 1, 0. Till 0 it will check, and then it will print all the values, and the reverse value will hold the reverse string. So now what I want to do is, once that is done, just make sure that these variables are defined properly. Now what I wanted to do is, I wanted to compare the strings. If str dot, so I'm going to make it as lowercase. So when you are comparing, there should not be any issue with the uppercase and lowercase. So what I'm trying to do is, I'm converting my entire string str dot lowercase dot equals to equals to my reverse string whatever I wanted to compare dot to lowercase, because both of them should be in the same format, then only the comparison will give you proper results. Now once that is done, then you will be writing sys system dot out dot println, where you will be saying your str plus, so if that is true, it is a palindrome, the string is palindrome. So if that is not the case, now if I say else, just take the same statement, copy paste here, your string is not a palindrome. Now what I am going to do is I will run this program and see what is the outcome for this particular string. See here, radar is the string given, and it shows that radar is a palindrome. So now you can do with another example. Let's take an example of something like VAMSI. So you just give some spaces so that you will not see the space adding to your string. Now run Vamshi, and when you do it, it is not a palindrome. Or else if you wanted to check with the level, level, because it is, when you reverse it also it will come same, then it is also a palindrome. Level is a palindrome. So this is how you will write a program in terms of a string. So we will do the same thing for numbers in the next program.